A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. You know, say it really makes sense for we put God word in the Jamaican language so that the Jamaican people them we can understand it. Cause even Paul himself did beg people to pray for him, saying we can share the message and make it plain so that the people them can understand it. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed yet, may I beg you, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here so. Today I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Colossians them, chapter 4 from verse 2 to verse 7. Not a pray. You have to watch out and get on your mind ready for action and give God thanks when you not pray. And beg you do. Pray for it too. Pray say God we clear the way so we can spread the secret message about Christ Jesus. The message where nobody know about. I see that message here, them chain me up and have me a prison here so now. Pray say me we get for make the people them know about the message here. And that we can tell them it plain so they can understand. Cause that me for do. Una for go on like say una have sense when una around people who are not Christ Jesus follower. No waste time. Every chance una get, una for do that. Talk to people nice and make them want for in a way una say. Just sake of how una talk. Season up una argument with salt. So they want to hear more and more about what I say. And you have to know how to answer everybody too. I God with this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.